Cucumber farming is the process of cultivating cucumbers, which are a popular vegetable that belongs to the gourd family. Cucumbers are widely grown all over the world for their nutritious and health benefits. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. The following are the complete details about cucumber farming. Soil requirements. Cucumber plants require well-drained soils that are rich in organic matter. The ideal soil pH for growing cucumbers is between 6.0 and 7.0. Climate. Cucumbers grow well in warm weather and require temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The optimal temperature for cucumber growth is between 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Land preparation. The land for cucumber farming should be properly plowed and harrowed to create a fine tilth. Any weeds or unwanted plant material should be removed from the field. Seed selection. Cucumber seeds should be selected from a reliable source that produces disease-free seeds. Farmers can also opt for hybrid cucumber seeds that have a higher yield potential. Planting. Cucumber seeds are usually planted directly into the field. The seeds should be sown at a depth of 1 inch and 3 to 4 seeds per hole. The spacing between plants should be around 12 inches. Irrigation. Cucumber plants require regular watering to ensure adequate growth and yield. Irrigation should be done when the soil is dry to a depth of 1 inch. Drip irrigation is the most preferred method of irrigation for cucumber farming. Fertilization. Cucumber plants require nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for proper growth and development. Farmers should apply fertilizers at regular intervals to ensure the plants receive adequate nutrients. Pest and disease control. Cucumber plants are susceptible to various pests and diseases such as cucumber beetles, aphids, powdery mildew, and downy mildew. Farmers should adopt proper pest and disease management practices to control these pests and diseases. Harvesting. Cucumbers are usually ready for harvest within 50 to 70 days after planting. The cucumbers should be harvested when they reach the desired size and color. Harvesting should be done early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid heat stress on the plants. In conclusion, cucumber farming can be a profitable venture if done correctly. Farmers should ensure they follow the above guidelines for successful cucumber farming. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of agriculture.